PowerSHAPE's unique solid doctor will show you exactly where all of the faults lie in the solid. Here we have a solid that has been created from 1500 separate surfaces. The solid doctor will categorize the faults and also suggest a repair method for each, as well as providing an automatic repair. Notice that the faults are divided up in this case into one edge fault and 7 gaps. Select all of the faults and then hit the process icon. This will repair all of the faults it can. The faults that have been fixed will go green, and the ones that remain to be addressed are in red. To completely recheck the solid at any stage, click the check icon. We just now need to repair these 2 remaining faults. I'm going to select the gap fault at the top of the part and simply rotate the view so that we can get a good view onto exactly where that fault lies. From the pull down list, select Extract Surfaces and edit them. To make things a little clearer, it is often a good idea to blank the existing solid. What we can see is that this fault is caused by the fact that this surface has not been correctly trimmed. To repair this, we can simply snap a line onto the edge of the adjacent surface and then use that to trim the surface away. So with the line selected, select the edge of the surface to remove, and now that has been trimmed away. Remember that the surfaces need to be reselected, so pick the 2 surfaces, click the tick icon, and those 2 surfaces are now sewn back into the main solid, and that fault has been repaired. The remaining gap is down at this bottom edge. What has happened here is that the surface has degenerated somehow during the translation process. To repair it, select all of the adjacent surfaces and simply remove them. This leaves a large hole. Pick the edge of the hole and say fill with a tangential surface to guarantee a good match all the way round. A new trimmed fill-in surface is created, and that fills the hole. Recheck to find out exactly what state the model is currently in. And all being well, all of the faults have now been repaired.